Alright everybody, what's up? This is Joshua Maitland here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to change the time on a Sony Hi-Fi. Now this model number is, the exact model number is CMT-BX77DBI. So, this can be useful if you setting up that radio for that Hi-Fi for the first time, or if the clock has changed, or or if you want to switch, let's say for example if the power goes off and then it comes back on and the time has been reset, then this tutorial is for you. So, in order to set the time, you need to press the timer menu on the remote until the 0 flashes up. That's the hour. So, let's set to the right time. So, the current time is 17 minutes past 2. So, to change that, you need to press the up button on the remote, and that changes the hour. So once you've done that, press the this button, and that changes to the minutes. So the time is now 18 minutes past 2. Now this is a 24-hour clock, in case if you're wondering. I'm not sure about the 12-hour clock, but I don't think it is a 12-hour clock. I think it's probably a 24-hour clock. Okay, so once you finish that, press that same thing again as you did for the hours. And that should hopefully set the right time. And that's it. Easy peasy. So, I hope this tutorial is helpful to you. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the like button. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you wish to be notified when I upload new videos onto my channel, then hit the bell icon. And yeah. So, thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Until then, bye bye for now.